What's up, everybody? So we're going to do a little bit of flying today, and the reason for that is because we have had so much rain this year. It is unreal. We've got roads underwater, there's flooding everywhere, we got towns being evacuated, people getting moved into schools and having to live there. Yeah, we're gonna try to make the best of a bad situation and go check it out. And so stick around if you want to see the Northwest Iowa natural disaster flooding. I have a strange feeling it's going to be kind of busy in the sky because when I get to the airport here, almost every single hangar door is hanging open and airplanes are gone. So we got a low ceiling. Everybody's probably going to be about 500 feet today, and let's be safe and have a little fun. All right, guys, so as we taxi out here, just gonna run down to the end of the runway to get this thing warmed up. It's been a while since I've flown. It looks like we've only got about 8 gallons of gas in, so we're gonna have to cut this flight to about an hour and a half. But anyway, yeah, let's get flying. So as I'm climbing out here, I'm going to make a right-hand turn, and you guys are going to see with the outside cameras how bad it is just right off the end of the runway. So you see, like right off to the left here, the road is underwater. That's the road I had to take to get here, and to make us go around on these muddy roads. It was a blast. So this right here is the stretch between the airport and my town, which would be Sioux Center, Iowa, and head over to Rock Valley. That's the town that they actually got shut down. They're evacuating it. Those poor people have to live in schools and stuff. And I know it could be worse, but it'd be tough. If you guys want to send your support, I can try to leave a link below. They're asking for help, but it's up to you. All right, so right in front of me here, this is it's a campground called Sandy Hollow, and the river's like right there, and the campground's right there, and we'll come up on it a little bit closer. You'll see there's campers still sitting in there. Looks like they're completely underwater. Sucks. Alright, so as you guys can see out in front of me, that is the town of Rock Valley. And you can see the river is like coming from the north, and it just blasts right through the center of that town. I don't want to get too far on that side of the river. There are some really low, dark clouds over there. I can feel just sitting here, it's gusting winds, and we don't need to be involved in that today. But anyway, I'm going to roll the outside camera, we'll play a little music, and enjoy the flight. guys, so that is Rock Valley, 24 flooding. That is a mess, like almost heartbreaking when you see it. I can't even imagine what that's like to have to get pushed out of your house. Water's coming in like that, it's just horrible. Anyway, I know they've got a support thing set up, they're looking for help. I don't know if it's necessarily money, but like blankets, clothes, all that stuff. I'll try to put a link below to that donation. Yeah, if you're interested, you don't have to, but you saw what they're going through. It's pretty sick, pretty rotten. Anyway, running low on fuel, and winds are kicking up around 20-25 miles per hour at the moment, and it's getting rough. We're heading back. So yeah, anyway guys, if you like the video, hey, like, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for riding along. See ya.